and as a full-blooded
if you see what I went through to get ready for this Amvca cultural day, hey God, you will kneel down and thank God on my behalf because it was giving mission impossible. But trust IG Goddess, anything where I say I won't do, I did put my mind do, I did want to finish. So I got my makeup ready at my house as early as 8 a.m. in the morning, and then I checked into a hotel so I could dress up, do my photo shoot. You know, all the paparazzi now. And I know say everything will happen for Amvca, they always end up for Instagram, and I know one for my hand. As soon as I checked into my hotel, there was no time to waste. So guys, my team, everybody, all hands on deck. My makeup artist, my hairstylist, my videographer, everybody was on ground to make sure that I slayed this look like crazy, guys. But kudos to every celebrity that showed up for Amvca or every other event because this thing no easy. It takes a village to get styled, get slayed, and look this beautiful.
They are not ready. Tell your favorite to show you what they are wearing.
Just take a look at this fine girl now. See this fine queen. I represented the Benin Kingdom, guys. I've always admired this look. So when I saw the opportunity to style it, I didn't even resist it at all. Seeing that this outfit was sent to me under 48 hours, guys. I took risk, and I didn't even get to fit this outfit. Look at it. Kudos to my designer, Jare. 9th Avenue Collection finished work, I bet. It was giving everything it's supposed to give. After all the paparazzi, photo shoot, you know now, photo shoot and videos are very important for events like this. Getting all this all together was very intentional for me because I didn't go to Amvca for myself alone. I went to represent every online vendor out there, entrepreneurs, coaches that have been struggling to get visibility. Yes, to let you know that yes, the world is watching you and you can also shine the way I am shining. So I went to represent us, guys, and I hope I did not fall your hand for any reason. So rate my look, rate my everything for the Amvca. Did I do you guys well or not? Did I represent you or not? All my G-Force community.
And I've been searching lately, don't go me, a little baby, check out my cars, you baby.
What am I say?
Give us a 360 tour for the camera. Who are you wearing? Okay, now tell me one fashionable thing you can't do without.
Many, I have many things I can do without, but I would probably say my perfume.
Woo! And you smell good tonight.
Thank you.
Okay, now come walk with us. Come in.
It is officially the Nigerian Met Gala weekend. Technically speaking, it's Amvca 2026 weekend. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, as per usual, tonight we are starting off with the cultural day. Get ready for the most beautiful display of Nigerian culture, tradition, and heritage. With a fusion of modern elegance, intricately crafted beats, and the most gorgeous, rich fabrics. And of course, as per usual, I am going to be here rating those looks. So guys, get ready, get your tea, get your coffee. Part 1 is going to be coming up soon. And if you enjoy all fashion related content, don't forget to hit that plus button. See you in a moment. Ciao for now.
Over
So the inspiration, it says Cultural Day, and as a full-blooded Igbo girl that understands the power of calories, I decided to do something very African, cultural, powerful, different, and creative. Well, I love everything about my outfit, starting from my lush hair to my cowrie shoes to my, I mean, look at me. What is not to love about this look? So I love it all. Maya Stitches did an amazing job. Lush hair got me looking beautiful and confident. Okay, well, I'm certain it's going to be an experience. I feel to be entertained. I want to enjoy myself, and I'm also looking forward to other artists, other talents, creatives, to see how they are looking tonight. All right.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀ ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ pé ó dọ́jà ni èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.